Hi, welcome to What's New in SolidCAM. In this video, we're going to see the new function of independent cutting method under the sorting tab in Turbo HSM. In this toolpath, which is a Turbo HSM constant Z combined toolpath with constant step over, in the earlier versions under sorting, we always used to get the combined sorting, which means that the cutting method for both constant Z and linear or constant step over would be the same. So if it was zigzag for constant Z, it would be zigzag also for constant step over and for linear. In the new version, now we have got what we call as an independent cutting method, where I can specify one cutting method for the steep region and another cutting method for the shallow region. The steep region, in this case, which is constant Z toolpath, has been done using the zigzag method, while the shallow region, in this case a constant step over toolpath, has been done using the spiral toolpath. Let's look at the toolpath now. So if I switch on the toolpath, you can look, the constant Z toolpath has been done using a spiral toolpath. There is absolutely no step over anywhere. So even if I go to this region here, you can see that it's been done completely using the spiral method. Whereas the constant Z toolpath here is done using simple zigzag method. So this is a new function inside SolidCAM 2023. Thank you for watching.